When can creditors make claims after letters testamentary? Imagine you're waiting for the estate of a loved one to be settled, and you wonder when creditors can step in with their claims. Well, that's exactly what we're going to clarify today. When someone passes away, the court issues letters testamentary to the person handling the estate, known as the executor or personal representative. These letters give the executor the legal power to manage the estate, pay debts, and distribute assets. Now the question is, how long do creditors have to come forward with their claims? The answer is generally 7 months from the date the letters testamentary are issued. This period starts once the court officially grants the letters, which means the executor can act on behalf of the estate. During this time, the executor is responsible for notifying known creditors, often by publishing a notice in a local newspaper and sending direct notices to creditors they can identify. Creditors must submit their claims in writing, not just orally, to be valid. If they miss this window, they usually lose the right to make claims against the estate, unless certain exceptions apply. For example, if the executor did not properly notify a creditor, or if the creditor was not reasonably discoverable, they might still have a chance. Sometimes, the law allows for longer periods, depending on the state. For instance, Pennsylvania gives creditors 1 year after the letters testamentary are issued to file claims. It's also important to know that secured creditors, those with collateral, may have different rights compared to unsecured creditors. Once the 7 months pass, the estate can be distributed, but only after the claims period is over, and all valid claims are settled. If a creditor's claim is rejected, they usually have about 90 days to challenge that rejection in court. Executors should avoid distributing assets before the claim period ends because they could become personally liable for unpaid debts. So, understanding this timeline helps protect everyone involved: creditors, heirs, and the executor. Working with a probate attorney can make sure all notices are properly given, claims are evaluated correctly, and the estate is settled smoothly. To sum up, creditors generally have 7 months after letters testamentary are issued to file claims, and this period is key to making sure debts are paid before assets are handed out to heirs or beneficiaries.